Executive Software International. We're based out of Burbank, California, and we've been in the system management utilities business for about 21 years. We're most noted for our Windows enterprise utilities, probably most famous for our product DiskKeeper. DiskKeeper is the most widely used, fastest Windows operating system network defrag utility. So you can get your defrag done automatically in the background without having to remember to do defrag, without having to stop your work. You can actually schedule defrag to happen, set it and forget it style. That's one of the most beneficial features to DiskKeeper. It's very fast, but you never have to remember to do defrag. It's also set up for the network and the enterprise. That's really where its strongest suit is, its forte. You can put DiskKeeper on its servers and clients, schedule defrag for all the systems on the network without having to touch individual boxes, remind users to do it. And this way it can actually just get done automatically in the background without having to make any trips to machines to handle slow, sluggish machines. So it's one of the fastest, most popular disk defragmenters for the Windows Enterprise. So if you're a network administrator, this is a product we developed specifically for you. Also, I'd recommend that you go to our website and read this article by our CEO and chairman, Craig Jensen. It gives you the actual arguments and benefits to you, the user and the administrator, for using a network defrag solution such as DiskKeeper. It's available on our website at www.executive.com. Also, I wanted to recommend to you, we have 2 case studies for government users. This is a case study on the U.S. District Courts, which is currently using DiskKeeper to improve their performance on all their Windows 2000 and above servers. And here's a fascinating case study. Social Security Administration uses 120,000 licenses of DiskKeeper to keep their systems maintained and performing at peak performance. Reduces help desk calls, increases performance 20 to 80%, and extends the life of hardware 1 to 2 years. So you can get these on our website as well. Now we also make 2 other utilities for the Windows administrator. The first one is called Undelete. It's for recovering accidentally deleted files across the network. Say for example, somebody deletes off of a shared drive on a server. Normally, the administrator would have to go search on his tape archives to recover that specific file. That could take him anywhere from 1 to 2 hours to do. With Undelete, you'll be able to instantly recover that accidentally deleted files with just a couple clicks of the mouse. So you put it right back where it was on the server hard drive. We also have an Undelete workstation version, which does the exact same thing for workstations to protect the data on their hard drives. So this is also a network administrator tool, but you can also use it on a single PC as well. Our third product is a more recent development. It's called SiteKeeper. Now what this is a seat management tool, very simplified and easy to use. If you're an administrator and you need to know exactly what hardware and software you have out on your systems, it can do hardware and software inventory. If you need to know if you're compliant and you actually have the proper number of licenses purchased, then this will actually do an inventory and license compliance tracking, so you know whether you're legal in all the software licenses and applications you're using. And the final thing that SiteKeeper does is deployment. It can actually deploy out your service packs, upgrades, and applications. Very easy command line to be able to deploy software out. Now the biggest selling point of SiteKeeper for you, the administrator, is it's easy to use. You don't require a dedicated server. You don't need to put agents out on systems. And you don't need to be trained for 6 months in order to use it. You can be up and running with SiteKeeper and knowing exactly what you have on your systems for immediately once you get it installed, you'll be up and running within 1 to 2 hours. That covers our 3 products. As I said, I'll just wrap up by saying Executive Software basically develops utilities for administrators so that their job and life can be a whole heck of a lot easier. We survey and ask administrators what it is that they need, and then we develop a product to fill that need. DiskKeeper handles their defrag and keeps their systems maintained. Undelete gives them that ability to recover something without having to spend 2 to 4 hours in their archives. And SiteKeeper gives them an instant solution of being able to inventory what hardware and software they have, and of course to be able to deploy out their upgrades and keep their technology current. Thank you very much for the time. If you have any information that you need, please go to our website at www.executive.com. Thank you very much.